Have you ever wondered how orchids, with their stunning beauty and diversity, came into existence? Well, the answer lies in the magic of evolution. Orchids, you see, are one of nature's most intriguing puzzles. They're not merely beautiful flowers. They're the result of millions of years of evolution and adaptation. Orchids belong to the family Orchidaceae, the largest family of the flowering plants. This family boasts an impressive range of over 25,000 species, each with its unique charm and allure. But how did such diversity come into existence? The story begins with ancestral monocots, which are a type of flowering plant. Over millions of years, these simple plants underwent a series of transformations, giving birth to the complex and diverse orchids we know today. This journey of evolution wasn't a straightforward path, though. It was a winding road filled with countless adaptations and modifications. Orchids have adapted to almost every imaginable habitat on Earth, from the humid rainforests of the Amazon to the arid deserts of Africa. Their resilience is a testament to their evolutionary journey. Each species has developed unique features to survive in its specific habitat. Some orchids have leaves that can store water, enabling them to thrive in dry environments. Others have developed specialized root systems to absorb nutrients from the rocky surfaces they cling to. And then, there's the enchanting beauty of the orchid flowers. Their stunning shapes and vibrant colors aren't just for show. They are strategic adaptations designed to attract specific pollinators. Some orchids even mimic the scent and appearance of female insects to lure males for pollination. But why go through such lengths for pollination? The answer lies in the orchid's quest for survival. By ensuring cross-pollination, orchids increase their genetic diversity, enhancing their adaptability and resilience to changing environments. Before we dive deeper into the world of orchids, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Sci Sips YouTube channel for more intriguing science content. Orchids, with their extraordinary diversity, have evolved to master survival in a myriad of habitats. As we peel back the layers of the Orchid Enigma, we can't help but marvel at the intricate tapestry of life that evolution has woven. Orchids do not thrive in isolation. They dance a delicate tango of symbiosis. But how does this intricate dance come about? Venture into the world of orchids and you'll find a myriad of unique relationships, each as fascinating as the blooms themselves. Orchids and fungi, for instance, have been partners in a symbiotic relationship for millions of years. This relationship is so crucial that without the right fungi, an orchid seed may never germinate. The fungi provide the orchid seeds with the necessary nutrients to grow, and in return, the mature orchid feeds the fungi with its photosynthetic products. This relationship is not merely a casual affair, it is a dance choreographed by eons of evolution. Orchid seeds send out chemical signals that attract the right fungi. The fungi, in turn, enter the seed, initiating a lifelong symbiotic relationship. This fungal association remains with the orchid throughout its life, aiding in nutrient absorption even in the harshest of conditions. But the symbiotic tango doesn't stop there. Orchids also engage in a dance with their pollinators, a dance of deception and reward. Orchids are master manipulators, mimicking the scent, shape and color of female insects to lure male pollinators. Some orchids even go a step further, providing a food source or a safe haven for pollinators. This elaborate ruse ensures that the orchid's pollen is carried far and wide, contributing to the propagation of the species. However, orchids are not simply exploiters, they offer a reward to their pollinators, often in the form of nectar. This sugary treat ensures the pollinators return, maintaining the cycle of pollination and ensuring the survival of both species. From fungi to bees, orchids have formed alliances that ensure their survival and proliferation. This symbiotic tango is a testament to the incredible adaptability of orchids, their ability to form relationships that not only ensure their survival, but also contribute to the rich biodiversity of our planet. In an era of alarming biodiversity loss, how do orchids fare? This question brings us face to face with the harsh reality that these exquisite plants are facing. Orchids, with their diverse forms and flamboyant colors, are not just captivating to our senses but also play a crucial role in ecosystems. Yet they are under an escalating threat from various fronts. One of the most significant challenges is habitat loss. Vast tracts of forests, home to numerous orchid species, are being decimated for agriculture, logging, and urban development. This destruction not only wipes out orchid populations but also disrupts the intricate web of life they are part of, causing a ripple effect that reverberates through the ecosystem. Climate change poses another dire threat. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can upset the delicate balance that orchids and their pollinators have evolved to maintain. Some orchids might not survive these rapid alterations, leading to a decline in their numbers. Overcollection is yet another hazard. Orchids' striking beauty makes them a prized possession for collectors and a lucrative commodity for illegal traders. This excessive harvesting, often from the wild, puts immense pressure on the natural populations of these plants. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are concerted efforts underway to conserve these botanical wonders. Many organizations are working tirelessly to protect orchid habitats, enforce stricter laws against illegal orchid trade, and educate the public about the importance of orchids. Additionally, scientific research is being carried out to understand orchids better, which can aid in their preservation. In the world of conservation, orchids have become a sort of poster child, highlighting the urgent need to protect not just these plants, but all forms of life. They are a symbol of the intricate and beautiful web of life that is being unraveled by human activities. Orchids, a symbol of beauty and intricacy, are a testament to the urgent need for biodiversity conservation. Their fate serves as a stark reminder of the price we pay when we disregard the delicate balance of nature. From the intoxicating scent of the vanilla orchid to the elusive ghost orchid and the deceptive bee orchid, what unique adaptations do these orchids possess? As we delve into the enigma of these specific orchids, we find a world where survival hinges on cunning and guile. The vanilla orchid, for instance, a tantalizing treat to our olfactory senses, has an adaptation that has secured its place in our kitchens. Native to Mexico, this orchid's flowers bloom for merely one day. And without the aid of its natural pollinator, the Melipona bee, they would go unpollinated. However, with human intervention, a method known as hand pollination has allowed for the mass cultivation of this aromatic orchid. The ghost orchid, Dendrophylax lindeni, on the other hand, has adopted an almost ethereal survival strategy. This leafless orchid, anchored to its host tree by its roots, has foregone photosynthesis. Instead, it relies on a symbiotic relationship with a specific type of fungi, which provides the necessary nutrients. Its elusive, ghostly white flowers bloom only under specific conditions, making it one of nature's most captivating enigmas. Then there's the bee orchid, Ophrys epifera, a master of deception. This orchid employs a unique method of pollination known as pseudocopulation. The flower of the bee orchid mimics the appearance and scent of a female bee, enticing the male bee into a futile mating attempt. This clever ruse ensures that pollen is transferred to the bee, which then unknowingly carries out the orchid's pollination when it moves on to the next flower. These are but a few examples of the fascinating adaptations within the world of orchids. Each species has evolved its own unique strategies for survival and propagation, captivating us with their diverse forms and intricate relationships with their environment. Orchids, with their myriad adaptations, have mastered the art of survival, each in their unique way. Orchids, beyond their biological fascination, hold a significant place in our lives. But what challenges do orchid growers face? From the vibrant hues of Phalaenopsis to the intoxicating aroma of the vanilla orchid, these marvels of nature have been celebrated and cherished across cultures and civilizations. In ancient Greece, orchids were associated with virility and fertility. Chinese traditional medicine has long valued orchids for their healing and protective properties. In Victorian England, the orchidolarium saw the affluent class engaging in a fervent quest for these exotic blooms, demonstrating wealth, taste, and horticultural prowess. But the journey of an orchid from a wildflower to a prized possession is not without its trials. The cultivation of orchids presents a unique set of challenges. Their intricate life cycle and specific environmental needs require a delicate balance of light, temperature, and humidity. Any slight deviation can spell disaster. Furthermore, the propagation of orchids can be a complex process. Some species, like the elusive ghost orchid, are incredibly difficult to breed in captivity, their seeds needing specific fungi to germinate. This complexity, combined with the constant threat of pests and diseases, makes the cultivation of orchids a task of patience, knowledge, and precision, a labor of love that often takes years to bear fruit. Yet, the allure of orchids continues to captivate us. Their diversity, their resilience, their exquisite beauty, and intriguing biology make them a source of endless fascination. Their allure is such that they have even sparked a thriving global trade, with enthusiasts and collectors willing to pay substantial sums for rare specimens. So, if you find yourself captivated by these remarkable organisms, why not delve deeper? Like this video and subscribe to the Sci Sips YouTube channel, where we explore the wonders of the natural world, from the minuscule to the magnificent. Orchids, with their enchanting beauty and fascinating biology, continue to captivate us, presenting challenges and rewards for those who seek to understand them.